Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. I'm Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 70 registered Porsche Cayenne hybrid. Now this is the first model that Porsche brought out in the Cayenne as the hybrid, so we've got a 3-litre V6 petrol engine and then we've got the plug-in availability of just under 30 miles of electric power via the battery. So if you want to drive the car round town and just ride on the battery, you've got that capability, but then connect the super fuel efficient V6 engine with that battery and you get the hybrid power then and an absolute rocket ship which is in the body of the Porsche Cayenne. Now this car was supplied to the last keeper and I'm happy to tell you that this car has got over £13,000 worth of factory options. So it's not the plain Jane boring Cayenne that some people have. This is an all singing, all dancing car. Now as you can see, it's finished in the grey metallic paintwork and it's sat on the multi-spoke alloy wheels. Now Spyder style alloy wheels are absolutely gorgeous on a Cayenne. Now we've got the green brake calipers which tells us that it is the e-hybrid, and then on the wing there we've got the e-hybrid badge. Now externally the car's got the panoramic glass roof, we've got privacy glass, we've got roof bars in aluminium as well. But a great looking car. Now as we come around the rear of the vehicle, 70 plate vehicles have got the latest newer style rear end. We've got a quad exhaust system because this has got the sports exhaust. We've got reversing camera and electric tailgate. We've got all the charging points in here as well. So they're all in that box there. And we have a deployable tow bar. So as magic, we press the button in the boot here, and then the deployable tow bar, which looks like it's never been used, comes out at the back there. So if you are needing that, that is a wonderful option, very, very expensive option. But as we come round the car, it's riding on obviously matching tyres. It comes with a full Porsche main dealer service history from day one. But just look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Put a registration on there and you would think it was a brand new vehicle. Now when I open the driver's door, we are greeted by this beautiful, beautiful leather interior. Soft touch, extendable memory seats on the passenger and also the driver. Power folding mirrors, factory option of BOSE sound system as well. Car has done 35,624 miles. Now it's a keyless car, so we've got it in electric mode, multifunction dashboard. We've got the later style dash as well with all the system on. We've got adjustable suspension, heated seats. We've got everything pretty much in here. As I say, I've listed all the extras on the advert. Cruise control, obviously we've got the sport button here, so this is obviously set in electric. We've set it in hybrid now. We've got sport mode as well, so you can just hear that's the sports exhaust, should you have the engine on, and then you can just turn the wheel and then back into electric should you wish to. Everything's touchscreen, so navigation, we can have it up on the dashboard, we've got wide angle, we've got everything you've got on a new one. It's absolutely beautiful. Sports Chrono Package. There's too much to list on this car, if I'm being quite honest, but it is something which, yes, Porsche stopped putting diesel engines in their cars, and this is where we basically are today. Cayenne, plug-in, hybrid, electric vehicle. Beautiful. So if you've any more interest, give me a call here in Wigan. Dominic's on the camera, I'm Graham, and Lee's in the showroom. We'll be happy to help in any way we can. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.